Okay, today I will be making a video about this file or folder creation batch file that I made. So this is for Retropie. So if you have a USB flash drive, you can use it to install ROMs and BIOS files and other things into it, instead of using the internal storage of the micro SD card, which is in your Raspberry Pi unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick in a USB flash drive right now, and it's a blank USB flash drive. So you heard that, I stuck it in. So it says iDrive. It's an iDrive. So this is a USB flash drive that I put into my computer. It's blank, as you can see. The format of this is a FAT32. As you can see right here, it says FAT32. You could use only the FAT32 format in Retropie. It's not going to recognize anything else when you try to use it as a to install stuff into it. So basically, let's start. So I made a video about this on creating FAT32 for USB flash drives, which are larger than 32 gigabytes. So if flash drive is greater than 32 gigabytes, then you have to use another tool, and I'll leave that in the video descriptions below so you could see it if you have anything larger than 32 gigabytes in terms of your flash drive. So let's start. So this is what I created. So what it does is it allows you to create a folders, so you could use it in your Raspberry Pi. So let's start. So I'm going to start the program. I'm going to put this in the video description so you could not the video description. I'm going to leave it in the I'm going to give you a link so you could download this so you could use it for yourself. So I'm going to start this batch program. So it shows that my flash drive is an iDrive. That's the one that I stuck in. So the way this thing works is the last flash drive that you stuck in, it's going to recognize that and show you what the letter is. So I'm going to press enter. So it's I. So I'm going to press 0 and enter. This is going to create the files, which it did, which you can see right here. Now I'm going to press enter. Now I'm going to try this again. So I added a safety feature, so if you already have the file system in there, it's not going to recreate it. I'm going to press 0 and enter again. As you can see, Retropie USB drive already exists, so it will not be copied. Okay, that's it. And I'm going to press F1 to exit, and that's basically it. So now I have the file system on iDrive, so I could put my ROMs in here if I want from my computer. In this case, a Windows 10 based computer, I could do that instead of using the network. So basically, this flash drive is kind of like a cartridge now. It's I could put all the ROMs into it, and I could just stick it into my Raspberry Pi, which has a Retropie operating system on it, and I could use it basically just like that. With this batch file that I created, you could stick in another blank USB flash drive, as long as it has FAT32 in it, and do the same thing over again. Just create another one. So anyways, that's it. So thanks for watching. My Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.